Growing a YouTube channel in 2024 involves a mix of strategic planning, consistent content creation, and active engagement with your audience. Here are 10 steps to help you grow your YouTube channel. Define your niche and audience. Identify a specific niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Research your target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences to tailor your content accordingly. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing to ensure your videos have high production quality. Focus on delivering valuable, entertaining, or educational content that resonates with your audience. Optimize your channel and videos. Create an engaging channel banner, profile picture, and about section that reflects your brand. Use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's searchability. Design eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule, for example, weekly or bi-weekly, and stick to it. Consistent uploads help maintain audience interest and improve your channel's algorithmic ranking. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and engage with your viewers on social media. Create community posts, polls, and Q&A sessions to foster a sense of community. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audiences and gain more exposure. Collaborations can be in the form of guest appearances, joint projects, or shoutouts. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, blogs, and forums related to your niche. Utilize email newsletters to inform your subscribers about new content. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance, including watch time, audience retention, and engagement metrics. Identify which videos perform best and understand why. Then replicate that success in future content. Monetize your channel. Once eligible, join the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from ads. Explore other revenue streams such as merchandise, memberships, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Stay updated with trends and algorithm changes. Keep an eye on YouTube's updates and trends in content creation to stay relevant. Adapt to changes in the algorithm and platform features to optimize your growth strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to growing a successful YouTube channel in 2024. Remember, success on YouTube requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to continually learn and adapt.